Welcome to this tutorial video for Premium Breed. In this episode we're going to look at adding registrations for your animals. When you log in you'll see this screen, and the easiest way is to go to Register Sheep. This is the most appropriate way to register your animal if you are sure it's not already registered, and in this case all examples are for sheep. If we click that button we see this screen where we're asked to enter the information for the animal we want to register. Now, if you are unsure and you think perhaps the animal is already registered, you should check by clicking View Registrations on your menu. Here we are able to look at all the current registrations under our name. If after looking through you cannot see the animal you want to register, you also have a link here which you can click and takes you back to this screen which asks you for the details. So let's have a go at entering an animal. Enter the date of birth, year. This prefix is designated already. Once I've entered all the information and checked that the class is appropriate, in this case I'm going to change it, I'll click Continue to register the sheep. We get a confirmation screen that in this case we have been successful, and if we click Continue we have the option of entering more sheep, but I'm going to go to View Registrations to see that my ewe that I wanted to register is now shown here at the bottom. Sometimes you may try to enter a sheep that is already in the system. The system will detect whether the information you've entered is close to an existing entry, and it will ask you if you want to use the existing entry or make a new entry. Now in this case, even though the information isn't exactly the same, I realise that this is the sheep I wanted and I can click it. And here I have the option of making any changes. You'll see the only difference we have here is the class. I've entered A1, the existing entry has class A. I can choose to change it by clicking on A1, but in this case I'm going to leave it as it was in class A and continue. We get a confirmation screen to show that the sheep we were intending to register is registered to us. There are other times that you might need to add in a registration. We'll go through these in more detail in later tutorials. In the next tutorial, we will look at removing unnecessary registrations.